Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will discuss how to set a variable on the click of button in Power App. So this is the blank canvas app. First, insert a text label. If you want to change the color of the text label, go to the properties pane, scroll down and select the color and choose the color as per your need and change the font size as 30, text alignment as center. Now insert a button. Give a preview text to the button. Next, select the button and go to the onSelect property. Remove the default one and write the following formula. Set is a Power App function used to create or update a global variable. Variable name is the name of the variable. You can give it any meaningful name. Welcome screen is the value we are assigning to the variable. When the button is clicked, this value gets stored in the variable. Now select the text label and go to the text property of the label. Remove the default text and simply type variable name. This means the label will display the value is stored in the variable. Now preview the app. So when I click on the button in preview mode, you can see the text welcome screen appear on the screen. So in this video, we learned how to set a variable on the click of button and display it using a label in Power App. Thanks for watching.